Learn how to commission the MELAseal 300 sealing device in your practice with our video tutorial. Use the supplied documents to record the correct installation. After commissioning, please send the completed and signed installation protocol back to MELAG. The return is a prerequisite for the MELAG warranty. The sealing device should be placed on the clean area of the reprocessing room. If you choose a different location, ensure that the distance to the treatment area is at least 1.5 meters. Additionally, the location should be dust protected, dry, and free from direct sunlight or other heat sources. For ergonomic operation, ensure that there is sufficient space to the side. If you have ordered a work table for the MELAseal 300, insert its lugs by tilting the sealing device. Before the first use, the power switch must be turned off. Please ensure that the electrical connection matches the specifications in the user manual. Now connect the MELAseal 300 to the socket using the power cable. A MELAG USB stick is also included in the delivery. All log files are securely stored on this stick. Insert the USB stick into one of the two USB ports located on the display or on the side of the device. Now turn on the MELAseal 300 using the power switch. The Setup Assistant will guide you through the user-specific settings for language, date and time, routine control reminders, documentation, user management, and energy-saving mode. The sealing temperature is factory set at 180 degrees Celsius. This temperature is optimally adjusted to the supplied MELAfull starter sets. Nevertheless, please carry out a test seal and a MELA control seal check according to the operating instructions. The sealing seam must be even and complete over the entire width. For team training, please find more detailed information in the user manual.